So today in my climbing system I'm going to focus on this leg guy case, how to get this leg movement and how to make them stick onto the wall while I climb. This still does not look very nice, but I will keep improving this. And this episode is also sponsored by these generous patrons. Thank you very much for the support you guys are giving me. Alright, so this time I'm going to do the leg guy case so that we can get rid of this problem. So as we can see now, my legs are just dragging after the body of the character without sticking onto the wall. So I'm going to cover it. I'm going to find a solution for that. Okay. First, I don't need this anymore. And yeah, also this one. Okay, so let's go to our character animation blueprint, and this is the on wall state. Let me show it first. So this is the locomotion state, and this is walking, and this is on wall. So inside the on wall state I have this part. This part actually take care of the hand eye case. So I'll add a comment here, and okay, and yeah, after that I'll add another two bone IK system. For this I'll use foot, left foot and right foot. First I'll test this for the left foot. Just for the testing purposes I'll set this to one wall. Okay, what is this? Yeah, this is the effector location. I can move it like this. Alright, and the joint target location should be somewhere here. Otherwise my leg will bend in an abnormal way. Okay, I think this is good. And I'll promote this effector location to a variable. I'll call it IK left leg W, because I have another IK for the leg when I'm walking, so therefore I'll add a W because it represents on wall. Okay, I'll add another two bone IK system, and this is for the right foot. Same as before. Okay, let's see. This is the effector. I'll move it like this, and the joint target I'll set it into a place like this. Yeah, now it won't bend in an abnormal way. Okay, this is what happens if I move it up. Yeah, I think that's better. And I think I should do that for this one as well. Alright, now I'll promote this one also to a variable. I'll call it ikl, sorry, not l, rl w, and in both these nodes I'll change the effector location to world space because I'm going to do the calculations in world space. Right, then I need to identify the values for this ikll and ikrl. Alright, so how should I do that? Alright, so to update nub locations, I'll add two more variables inputs like this. In the type vector, this is LL for the left leg and RL for the right leg. Right, and in here I'll rename this one to left, like this. This is the hand knob, so LH knob, and this is the right hand knob, so RH knob. So just like that, I'll add two more variables, L knob, so that stands for left leg knob, and RL knob. I'll set them like this. LL RL. Right, and now just like before, here I'll set these two, not the knob, IK values. Like this, and yeah, also with the lerp. For this one, left leg knob, and for this one, right leg knob. Okay, now yeah, I think that's all for the, wait, one more thing. I'll set these two values here as well. Just to prevent initial delay in the lerping. Right, now what? Okay, in the CH now when I update these three, I need to provide LL and RL as well. So how can I do that? Mm, for that, I think I'll have to do a line trace. Yeah, for that I'll define a new function. Otherwise this would be too complicated here. Get wall leg positions. Alright, so let's do a line trace by channel. Here I have this head point, hanging point, and the forward vector of the hanging point. So I need them here. Let's add an input in the type of vector hanging point and another vector forward. Right. Then for the starting point, first I'll get the forward and multiply it with the plus 400, and then multiply this with the minus 400, hanging point plus. So the legs should be like how low below from the hands, maybe like, let's try minus 80. We can change this later, definitely. And also there should be some offset for the left leg and right leg. How can I get that? Alright, I'll split. No need to split. Get right vector. Now let's get the mesh. Get right vector. Well, can I get using that? Yeah. Get right vector and multiply this by some positive value, let's say 20. Yeah, and then split this, add it like this. So this is the right leg. Wait, plus. This is the right leg, starting point of the trace, and then this is the right leg's ending position of the trace. Right. For the trace channel, I'll use camera, and I'll enable debug type for duration. and if I get a out hit, I'll promote split this and promote the hit impact point to a local variable. I'll call that right leg hit. Set it like this. Right, now I'll do the same thing for the left leg. Wait. So this is the only part that changes for the left leg. Instead of plus, wait, this should be plus for the right leg and this should be minus for the left leg. Alright. Oh, no. This is the height difference. This must be plus for the right leg and it must be minus for the left leg. Minus 20. And add these two values. So this is starting position and the ending position of the right trace channel, right leg trace. Let me duplicate this. And connect this to start, connect this to end, and if this is true, I'll add another local variable. I'll call it left leg hit. Save impact point there, and after that I'll add a return node. For the return, I'll output two values, R hit, RL hit, and LL hit. Like this. Now let's go here. Where do I do that? Right here. So let's use that function we just defined. What's the function name? Get wall leg positions. And connect RL hit here and LL hit here. So for the hanging point, insert this, and the forward, insert this. Compile. Alright, there is a small problem here. This should be multiply, not plus. Sorry about that. multiply with the 4th, and actually I think 400 is too much. Let's try only 200. And alright, let's see how it looks now. Okay, initially it was wrong. Right, let's check. Yes, the traces are now. Well, I don't see the trace lines. What's wrong? Alright, this must be minus 200. Okay, trace lines are correct, but they are too close. So that's why I get these awkward leg positions. This is not correct. So, and also here I need to change the moment stay to walk in at the beginning. And I should move them further down. I'll promote this to a local variable. I'll call it depth. Well, not exactly a good word, but okay. Instead of minus 80, I'll use 160. Would that be too much? Yeah, that is too much. Maybe minus 120. Okay, that seems like alright, but does not look exactly good. Why is that? Maybe I need to... Yeah, I think I know what to do. Here, I should change the target location. Wait, I think I need to break it and change back to on wall. Right, now this is the target location. I think I need to move it this way so that my legs will bend outward. And it should be like this. Otherwise my knee would go inside the wall. Let's set this to 0, 0, 0 first, and then move upward and to the left, like this. And let's do the same for the other one. I'll move this back to 0, 0, and then upward and to the right. Alright, let's see how it looks now. better. I think I should move them forward a little bit. No. Before that, what else I can do to improve this? As you can see here, the leg is inside the wall. So to prevent that, I need to pull back my legs. So therefore, in here, let's take this impact normal and multiply it with the float of, should this be plus or minus? Let's check. Yeah, I think it should be plus. Plus how much? Let's try 20. And same here. Well, that's wrong, that's wrong. What happened? Right. I should add this to impact point. Yeah, this is much better. But my legs do look a little ugly now. So maybe, let's see. Let's refer to the previous animation and modify. How does the hanging idle looks? Alright, it looks like this. And how does our current animation looks like? We can clearly see this here. Right, it looks like this. And let's check the other one. Looks like this. So my knees should move forward. Let's stop this. And I'll move the knee like this. Okay. Let's see how it looks now. Much better. But still something is wrong. What's the problem? Okay, left knee moves inside. Left knee bends inside. And right. He is so right, I think. Let's check here. Both should bend outward, and they should be a little bit closer also. Okay, this is left foot. It should move this way, bend this way, and this is right leg. It should bend this way. Still no, not enough. Problem is with the left leg, right? Yeah, with the left leg. Let's break this effector for a moment just to test. And move it a position like this. Okay, that seems alright to me now. Okay, now let's move legs a little closer. So for that, what I have to do is, instead of 20, let's use 10. Right, that's much better. And yeah, I think legs are too close. Let's move them down a little bit also. Hmm, I can fix it here. Under local variables, leg depth, let's try minus 130. And see. This is much better. Alright, this is a problem that I need to address later. Well, here I increased this time in 2.3 and I increased the capsule moment time to 0.4, and then I enabled ease in and ease out. So after that it looks a little better, but I admit that it still looks ugly. but better than before. Just check. See? Right. Now what? Shall we change these looping speeds of the these looping speeds of the left hand? I'll increase the right hand looping speed a little more compared to the other, so that I think I can get some difference. I don't know, I just want to see. Right, this is funny actually. Okay, I'll stop this episode at this point and I'll continue to work on this system until it is I can satisfy enough